And in today's video, we're taking a look at how to make DIY plant food, or what many people call DIY miracle grow. And this is episode 5 of our gardening series. So you notice that you're doing everything right. You're watering your plants every day. You're verifying that your soil doesn't get too dry. You know your plants are receiving sun and shade, but you don't see them grow. Don't worry, with this mix, you will see them grow in no time. We've successfully used this mix for 2 years and notice a big difference each springtime and summer. Before, they would grow but not as big. Everything that we use on this video, it's going to have a link on the description. And these are the things that you're going to need. Our first ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. And you want to make sure you get the non-fragrance, non-scented one, because you want to avoid any added chemicals. Next, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, one teaspoon of household ammonia. And remember, when handling ammonia, you don't want to breathe it or get it in your hands. It is very strong, almost like Clorox, and sometimes even stronger. So be cautious and handle with care. And even though this looks like a cleaning solution with a little of Epsom salt to relax you meanwhile you clean, this solution is actually gonna get the job done. Now we're going to take these ingredients and pour them in a 2-gallon container. We're going to pour a little bit of water first and mix it well. Once we have it mixed, we want to fill up the container to the 2-gallon mark. And this is going to be your concentrate. So that means per each 2 gallons of water, you want to add 1/8 of the concentrate. If you want to make less, you can always divide the mix by half, by fourths, or by any number that you want. At the end of the day, you're the old McDonald of your farm. And maybe one day they would grow so big, you would meet the giants from the beanstalk. Once it's pouring time, what we want to do is pour the mixture on the soil, around the plants, and just use the amount of water that you use regularly to water your plants. Just remember that per each 2 gallons of water that you use, you want to add 1/8 of the concentrate. And we do this once a month for the springtime and the summertime. But if you want to do it every 2 months, that's okay too. At the end of the day, what is the jungle without Tarzan or Jane? And that, you my friend, is you. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.